A very good morning to all of you. Today topic is like present tense in French. How to make a present tense in French? So look here, like la présent. In English, it's like meaning it has two types of like a simple and continuous. Okay, like simple, it means why? Like no, je parle. It means it's simple. I speak and I am speaking. Okay, so if I'm talking about like present tense in French, it has two meanings like simple and continuous. So when you make any verb with present tense, it's come out like two meanings like simple or continuous. I give, I am giving. The conjugation pattern is same. Okay, so like simple process, but before it, how to make a present tense. So look here, like la présent in French, there are three types of verb like er, ir, and re ending. Okay, so basically three types of verb like er, ir, and re ending. But before it, like simple, any verb you can search in French, like ending, you can see over there, it's all about er, ir, and re, nothing else. Okay, but before, how to make it? Okay, look here, we create here like simple strategy also. Like suppose when we have like er ending verb, search it is yr ending, ger ending, cer ending. Suppose you have no answer, then it's like er ending. So before you look er, search from here, it is yr, gr, cr. No here, then it's like er, simple. And now tir also, tir and rir. Suppose you have any ir ending verb, search from here, rir, no, tir, no, then definitely it's ir. Okay, and re, it has no any section. Okay, and all about this rule, more than 80% present tense cover this table. Okay, and how to make a table and how to use the table, look here. Okay, so first of all, we just write er, it's like ger, cer, yer, ir, tir, rir, and re ending. Okay, so now first of all I make this table, then I'll give you some example and look here how to use it. Okay, so now first of all you write the subject je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, elles, elle. Okay, so cut the ear, then put e, es, e, ons, esep, and ent. Gr, you cut the ear only, e, es, e, over there eons. Okay, ez and ent. Then cr also you cut the only er, then you put e, es, e. It's like cedilla. When you write here C and put the two, cedilla, ons, ez, and ent. Yr, it's got 3. Then you put ie, ies, ie, yons, yez, and ient. Ir cut, then is, it, iss, ons, iss, EZ, and ISS, ENT. TIR cut 3, then you put S, S, T, TONS, TEZ, and TENT. RIR, then simple IR, IR, TIR, RIR. Okay, then you cut IR, then you put ER ending, ES, EONS, EZ, ENT. RE cut, then SS, nothing, ONS, EZ, and ENT. Okay, and these tables are very important for your present tense because you can't memorize one by one verbs. Okay, so simple, you look the ending, cut it, then you put according to subject. Okay, how can I use? Look here. Okay, here like pakle, it's a ER ending. Pakle, it means to speak. Okay, monzer, it's a GR ending, to eat. Common ser, it's to start. CR ending. Payer, to pay, it's a YR ending. Okay, first of all I write the subject like je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, and elles. These are the subject, and then how to make ER ending? It's soon like cut the ER. Okay, then we cut ER, then we write PARL to all. Okay, and what is the ending? Like E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. Then we put here like E, ES. Okay, E, ONS, EZ, and ENT. Then GR also, cut the ER, like GR, cut the ER. Then we put res, like monch, G to all, monch, 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 monch. Then what is the ending? Like simple, this one. So then put E, ES, E, EONS, EZ, and ENT. And common says CR ending, then put only cut the ER, then use commons, write the whole, commons, 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 and what is the ending? Like simple E, ESC, cedilla, ONS, EZ, ENT. Then we put E, ES, E, and put the cedilla. Then you put ONS, EZ, and ENT. How to make YR? Then cut YR both. Then PA to all. And what is the ending? Like IE, IES, IE, YONS, YZ, and IE. Okay, and what is the meaning? Like pakle, to speak. It means I speak, I am speaking. You speak, you are speaking. He, she speaks, he, she is speaking. We speak, we are speaking. You speak, you are speaking. They speak, they are speaking. Both meaning are here, simple or continuous. Same. I eat, I am eating. You eat, you are eating. He, she eats, or he, she is eating. We eat, we are eating. You eat, you are eating. They eat, they are eating. I start, I am starting. You start, you are starting. He, she starts, and he, she is starting. We start, we are starting. You start, you are starting, and they start, and they are starting. Simple and continuous sound same. Okay. I pay, I am paying. You pay, you are paying. He, she pays, he, she is paying. We pay, we are paying. You pay, you are paying. They pay, they are paying. And what is the meaning and how to pronounce in French? It's very important. Look here. Same sound. Starting three, same sound. Okay? Like je parle and je parle are in French like ah. If you say like ah, then its sound change je parle. If you can't say, then je parle. Okay? Je parle, tu parles, elle parle. Okay? And you can say also je parle, tu parles, elle parle. Je mange, tu manges, elle mange. Je commence, tu commences, elle commence. Je paie, tu paies, elle paie. Okay? Simple. And nous. Nous parlons, nous parlons. Vous parlez, vous parlez. Elle parle. Nous mangions, vous mangez, elle mange. Nous commençons, vous commencez, elle commence. Nous payons, vous payez, elle paye. So simple statement sounds is simple, starting three and like nous with O, vous with A, okay, and that type of sound you create it, okay. Then you can know that how to is the table and rest like how to make IR, TIR, RIR and RE. Look here. Okay. So now finir, it's IR ending. Sortir, it's a TIR ending. Ouvrir, it's a RIR ending. And vendre, it's a RE ending. How to make it? Very simple process. Like to finish, to go out or to leave, to open, to sell. Then like je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, elles. Okay, so cut the IR ending, TIR ending, RIR ending, and RE ending. And rest you write FIN to all. Okay, then what is the ending of IR? IR ending is here IS, IS, IT, ISS, ONS, ISS, CZ, ISS, CNT. Okay, you can put here like IS, IS, IT, ISS, ONS, ISS, EZ, and ISS, ENT. Sortir like sort to all. And what is the ending? Like SST, TONS, TZ, TNT. Then S, S, T, TONS, TEZ, and TE and T. Ouvrir like IR cut, then OUVR, right. Then what is the ending? E, es, then this ending, ons, ez, and ent. And re, then want, 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 want. And s nothing, ons, ez, and ent. It's okay. And now this time you can use these table for regular verbs, and you can search in internet. There are so many regular verbs you have in French. So now you can use it and you can say like any verbs. Like suppose finish, I finish, in English meaning I finish, I am finishing. You finish, you are finishing. He, she finish, he, she is finishing. We finish, we are finishing. You finish, you are finishing. Like this one and that one, it's a different. Like this one for a small and that one for big person, like formal or informal. If you give the respect, then you can use it. Without respect, you can use it this one. Okay. And you finish, you are finishing. They finish, they are finishing. I leave, I am leaving. Or go out like simple. You leave, you are leaving. He, she leaves, or he, she is leaving. We leave, we are leaving. You leave, you are leaving. And they leave, they are leaving. I open, I am opening. You open, you are opening. He, she opens, he, she is opening. And we open, we are open. We are opening, okay. You open, you are opening. And they open, they are opening. I sell, I am selling. You sell, you are selling. He, she sells, or he, she is selling. We sell, we are selling. You sell, you are selling, or they say, they are selling. Actually, simple or continuous, like same sound in present tense, making process same. If you search any like regular verb in French, the making process is same. You can use this table and you can go. Okay. And French sound is je finis, tu finis, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, elles finissons. Like simple, je sors, tu sors, elle sort, nous sortons, vous sortez, elles sortent. J'ouvris, tu ouvris, il ouvrit, nous ouvrions, vous ouvriez, elles ouvrent. Je vends, tu vends, elles vendent, nous vendons, vous vendez, elles vendent. Okay. These are the regular verbs. Okay. And suppose you have any regular verb in French, you can use this table and go ahead. Okay. And next video we do exception verb. How many exception is very important in French in present tense. Approx 90 to 20 verbs is very important. You have to do this. Okay. And rest all is important, but 20 at least you have to do this. Okay. In next video we can do it. Okay. Thank you so much.